Everybody want money. We chase new jobs, side hustles, opportunities. But here's the truth most people overlook. Your income doesn't just come from the outside. Your income comes from within. It starts with your mindset, how you think about money, how you see yourself in the vision you set for your life. Stay with me now. It comes from discipline, waking up and doing the things that you don't feel like doing, staying consistent when it's easier to quit. It comes from your habits, the small daily choices that you make, either move you closer to growth or keep you stuck where you at. See, income follows identity. If you don't want more on the outside, you got to grow stronger on the inside. I already learned what a lot of people spent years figuring out. Money is a tool, not the foundation. Your mindset, your health, your relationships, your faith, those are what hold you steady. The money just flows better when, those parts of you are aligned. So stop chasing the money. Start building yourself, because wealth doesn't start in your wallet. Wealth starts in your mindset. For real. That chasing money nonstop doesn't equal to peace, joy, or purpose. I took a whole month off work. For real, to give myself time to reevaluate myself. Get my shit together for my kids. Anyways, I don't want to get all emotional and stuff like that, but like, comment, and,